Here's a 2016 GMC Terrain. This crossover SUV provides your life with the flexibility it needs, with room, efficiency, and safety. GMC added chrome bracketing to the Terrain's bumpers, giving it a wide, bold look, and supports it with plenty of horsepower while staying fuel efficient. The inviting cabin with ambient lighting, Bluetooth, and a Wi-Fi hotspot will make the commute fly by for you and your crew. With 63.9 cubic feet of cargo space, there is little you'll leave behind, and rest easy knowing that, if needed, the Terrain's safety features spring into action.
The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is. See objects previously out of sight with the rear view camera. The memory seats will adjust to your preferred position so you're always riding comfortably.
Enjoy amazing space in a crossover SUV that treats you to a quiet, luxurious ride. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.